Happy New Year, everyone. First video for 2021. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I go by the name of SK. So it's the 7th day of the year, and a lot of WhatsApp users were greeted with a warning that states, and I quote, WhatsApp is updating its terms and privacy policy. The details explains how WhatsApp is using Facebook hosted services to store and manage WhatsApp data. But let's rewind a bit and look at WhatsApp's acquisition by Facebook. See, for a very long time I've been looking for a reason why Facebook bought WhatsApp for a whopping $19 billion. Now, that's a lot of money for a free app with no ads. Well, if you're not sure how apps make money, I'll break it down for you. Okay, so apps would either run advertisements within an app, or would rather have in-app purchases, or you have to buy the app from the app store, which is a different case for WhatsApp because that's a completely free app. Like most charity cases, there's something you have to pay back. Well, for example, in South Africa, the government builds houses for the less fortunate in exchange for votes. Well, that's a big claim. Well, in this case, Facebook is not different from that. For you to use WhatsApp completely free, there's a price you have to pay, and that is, well, to my conclusion, that is data. Well, I'm not talking about the ridiculous price South Africans network providers charge customers. Well, I'm talking about the data mining. Though this might not be entirely true, however, I don't get how Facebook would spend so much money on WhatsApp. Anyway, so what's data mining? And I quote, data mining is a process used by a company to turn raw data into useful information by using software to look for patterns in large blah blah blah. Okay, in simple words, it means that, well, in this case, a company like, for example, WhatsApp will use information you process in the app, such as your opinions about products, likes, dislikes, and everything a potential marketing company would like to know about a customer. Ever noticed how you search for a product or even discuss a product with the person next to you, and all of a sudden you start receiving ads related to the product on your mobile device? Coincidence, right? So now that you understand what is data mining, so why is WhatsApp all of a sudden notifying you? Well, that follows after countless attempts by the US federal government to expose Facebook's suspicious activity with large amounts of data. Then the CEO of Facebook responded to the allegations and reassured that the company will set steps to avoid the repeat of abuse of data and will give people a better idea of how their data is being used. Following this was another turn taken by Apple when it updated the iOS 14, which gave users a notification when apps are using a camera or the microphone without their knowledge. And Instagram was the first app to be called out for using the front-facing camera on iOS devices without permission, and even when you're not taking photos, to which Instagram said it was just a little glitch that, well, they'll fix. From this, Facebook learned that it had to play it safe with the users, and that is to inform them of the policy changes related to how their data is being used. And to be quite honest, I personally do not pay much attention to how the data is being used within the apps that I use. See, because WhatsApp is one of the biggest apps and the most versatile app we use in my country, as much as I would like to jump to Telegram or a different app, it will definitely take time before my friends, family, and everyone that I know to move to the app. So that's it from me. I really hope you found this video useful. Please subscribe and like for non-native videos where I explain tech to the average person. Catch you on the next one. Peace.